Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pal! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about taxes. Yes, it is that time of the year where we're going to gather all our information together to submit our taxes. Taxes are normally done by March 15th of this year. So of 2020, you want to file whatever you did from last year. So I'm going to give you a couple of recommendations that I use to make sure I wrote off as much as I could. So a couple of areas that you can have tax write-offs are, but not including everything, parking, tolls, when you're doing the parking, when you're parking somewhere to do some kind of building to a walkthrough, you can write off your cell phone, if you have a landline for your business, of course, any rent, uniforms, insurance, and that could mean medical insurance for your employees, labor. If you have subcontractors that you give a 1099, you can write off equipment, leasing the equipment. You can write off any classes or courses that you took that you actually were doing training to learn more. You can write off uniforms for yourself if you have a uniform that you actually use as well for your employees, supplies, any floor equipment that you've rented. You can write off anything when it comes to transportation for hotel accommodations. And also you can write off, like if you have any kind of fees for banking. There are so many ways and so many things you can deduct. Your mileage when it comes to gas, standard mileage fee. There's so many things that you can write off. Do not forget anything, because this is the time that you want to make sure that you include anything that is recommended and applicable writing off. So many individuals get behind on their taxes and they feel intimidated or overwhelmed. So it's great if you can seek advice from a CPA or some type of tax expert or advisor. I know these recommendations that I gave you are things that I used to write off for my business that did me very well. That was one of the things I loved about this business, is that I was able to write off and have still a great amount of revenue, but I was also able to use a lot of tax advantages that helped me when it came to writing off expenses. So if you'd like to know more about just how to scale your business to what? Six figures. That's right, six figures and beyond. Pow! Then make sure you come to my free masterclass. I have two of them. One for government, when it goes all into what you need to do to meet everything to get your first contract, or one of many, your first cleaning contract, yay, or one of many. Or if you're interested in doing commercial cleaning, then make sure you click the link to register. Space is limited, so make sure you register. I look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.